What's up guys, this video from Airdrop Hub. So in this video I showing here to review about Prom Testnet. Prom Incentivized Testnet is a modular ZK VM Layer 2 solution. The Prom token has a current market cap of $240 million and they have set aside 1 million tokens worth of $13 million for this campaign. So we have to do some tasks on this testnet. If you're interested in learning more about this project, check out their website, and you can get some guide in their Twitter account. All guide links can be found below this post. Click on Prom Dashboard link. Then connect a new MetaMask wallet. Then add Prom Test Network to your wallet, or you can manually add this network to your wallet using these network details. After add Prom network, switch to it. Right, second step, request test tokens. Click faucet link. Then copy your wallet address and paste it on this bar. Then click on get tokens. You can request 0.6 Prom in every 10 hours. Your Prom is on the way. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, tokens received, but it took a while. Okay, third steps is deploy smart contract. Click on link. Connect same MetaMask wallet. Then select Prom Testnet. Click on continue. Then fill your token informations. Guys, this is only a test token you going to deploy, so you can enter anything. Enter any name. In example, I use the $. Token symbol mean the short word of token name. Use 6 to 18 number to decimal. Enter initial supply. Token logo is optional. If you need to add an image, click on Guidelines, then follow these instructions. After fill all details, click on Continue. The final step is create contract. Now you can see summary of token informations. Then click on Deploy contract. Confirm your transaction. Okay, well, third step is success. I deployed a contract. Fourth step, mint an NFT. You can visit to NFT mint page using post link or using token minted web page. Then select Prom Testnet same as before. Then enter a name to NFT and symbol. Okay, in this part 1 will show to you how to add an image to your token or NFT. Click on Guidelines. Then click on Third Web. Okay, upload image you want. Click on Start Upload. Right, now you can see a link have nearby your image. Copy this link. Then paste copied link on this, then click on Continue. Now you can see your NFT summary of details. Click on Confirm Transaction. Confirm transaction in MetaMask. Okay, well, successfully minted an NFT. I'm successfully deployed smart contract and minted an NFT. If you faced any issue in these steps, drop it on comment section or join to our Telegram channel. Next step, Prom game. Click on link. Then connect wallet. Push the button below to participate. Click on Prom logo icon. Then complete this capture. After it, click on Play. Confirm transaction. You can repeat this step in every hour, and you can increase the amount of your transactions using this method. Last one, go back to Prom dashboard. You can see a number of points have been accumulated according to the amount of transactions you have done. Try to engage to this daily and increase your points. Then go to below in your dashboard. Okay, you can see some simple tasks to complete here. The first tab contains social tasks, while the second tab contains testnet tasks. You can see digital creator and game enthusiast tasks are I completed before. These social tasks are very easy guys. Click on this link, then you will redirect to Zeely website. Link your Prom testnet registered wallet address before doing tasks. Then complete all available social tasks. I will show you an example of how to do tasks. Complete all quests like this. This all are Zeely tasks, try to complete all. In tab 2 I completed Smart Contract, NFT Mint and Prom Game. Last one, NFT Dagen. Try this task after few days because we don't have many faucet tokens. NFT values will decline in the near future. Okay guys, I did these all tasks, deploy smart contract, mint NFT, play prom game and these. Do this all tasks daily and increase your points. Okay guys, I think I explained all things. If you have any doubt, drop on the comment section or join to Telegram group. I hope you understood about Prom testnet. Subscribe to YouTube channel and join to Telegram channel. Okay, goodbye guys, see you in next video.